Good morning students. Today in this class I am going to discuss about how to use solver in the OpenOffice. Okay. So click on the start button or you type Calc. So it will open the Calc. So in the previous class we have discussed about the goal seek in topic of the what if analysis. So there are difference between goal seek and solver is that goal seek is used to change one value at a time, whereas in solver you can use multiple values at a time. In exam also you will ask you what is the difference between goal seek and solver. So in this class I am going to see about the solver, how to use solver, because this is very important for you both in theoretical and practical examination. So first I am entering subjects here and marks. First I will take English 67%, Telugu 69%, Maths I am putting 0, Science also I am putting 0, Social also I am putting 0, and IT marks I am putting as a 77. Okay, so afterwards you have to calculate the total for this one. So to calculate the total you have to use the formula type is equal to sum. So you can use the cell address. If you don't know cell address also, just type open bracket, select this one and here close the bracket, shift to 0. Right, the total is 230 and percentage I want to know. How to know percentage? Just you click here, double click, is equal to, select, type average, it will display automatically, open bracket and you have to select the average and don't select total up to IT marks, you have to select B2 is to B7. So close the bracket, enter. Now see here, English I am giving 67 and Telugu 69 marks and IT 77. I am getting 213 marks and percentage is the 35. Now my target is that I want to get total in 10th class 75%. If I want to get 75%, how much marks I want to get in Maths, Science, Social. See in the previous video you see that we can, in goal seek we can change only one value, but in solver we can change more than one value, or we can call it as a multiple values. Here I am taking 3, you can take any more than 3 or more than 4 also, but in this example I am going to tell only 3 subjects. For this we have to go to the tools. So in MCQs also, in shortcut keys also, they will ask you in which menu you will find the solver. So you have to go to the tools menu. So tools is very important, and data, these two is very important for you. So you have to go to the tools and here this is the solver. So this is very important. So these 3 are very important. They will ask you what are the what if analysis, how many are there, explain it. You have to tell the 3 are there: scenario, solver and goal seek. So previous 2 classes we have discussed about the scenario and goal seek, and in this video in this class I am going to show you about how to use solver. So click on this solver, this window, this is very important for you. You have to remember this one. If you understand this window very carefully, then it is easy for you to calculate the percentage. Now target cell. See in previous class also we have select in goal seek target cell where we have applied the formula. So here this is the target cell and my percentage is the 35. I want 75%. Okay, 75% I want total for me. Category 80, 85 also, but for understanding you I am taking 75. Now by changing values, okay, so click on the shrink button, select these 3 only, because these 3 only we are using, enter. Okay, so first we have to take the percentage target value, what you want to get percentage 75, and which change your three cells. Okay, now cell reference, first one. So click here shrink button, select max, enter. Here you can take greater than or equal to. Okay, so 60 60 if you want, put the 70, will check, otherwise will change the value also. Again shrink value, science, click here. Here we'll put the not 75 because 75 is greater. 71 I am going to take. Okay, again this one and social. Here I am going to take greater than or equal to and greater than or equal to 72. Okay, just I am giving 70, 71, 72. Let me check. Okay, here now. So if you want 75%, you have to get maths 94 marks, science 71, and social 72. Okay, so keep result. Now after that, select this one, you design something. So this is the border, all borders you have to select gold, and for total you select the color, percentage. Okay, it is not good. So red color and the font color red. Okay, now my question is, I want here 85%. Okay, we'll check. So again you go here, tools, solver. This time my target is 85. Okay, so see here 450. So here generally manually I will show you how to know calculator.